Good morning and wish you all a happy Diwali. I hope you have enjoyed the festival with great fun and frolic. Okay? So, okay, in this way, tell me which animals come out of their holes during rainy season. Okay?
Snakes.
Snakes. Most of the times, snakes and some even other animals like frogs and some other
Moles.
creatures that live in holes, they also come out of their holes. We generally have the conception that these animals are harmful. These snakes are poisonous. Most of the time we have a fear of such kind. I sent you one PPT. You can see different pictures. See that all the animals, all the snakes, these are not poisonous. All the snakes are not poisonous. Some of them are poisonous, some of them are non-poisonous. So this snake train is a poem in which the poet W.W.E. Ross, who is the poet W.W.E. Ross, he is actually the poet and he started writing in surrealist verse and the first modern Canadian poet. He has the honor to become the first modern Canadian poet. Okay? And this poet, W.W.E. Ross, has the great honor to do this being a poet. He has the honor to create poetry in imaginative way. Okay? So most of the time we feel and we are afraid that snakes, all the snakes are poisonous. And in this fear, we generally kill them. Okay? Isn't it? We are afraid of this and generally we kill them as soon as we see it. So most of us think these snakes as the fearsome symbols of death, isn't it? All of us are afraid of them. But in this poem, the poet has tried to create an imagination, an environment that this snake itself is a victim. A number of times we kill all these these snakes that come out or that enter in our houses or when we see alongside the roads, isn't it? So it is a reptile. Most of the time it is harmless, isn't it? It is harmless, but because of fear of death, we generally kill them. So instead of being hysterical or being irresponsible. We should treat them as other creatures and act with rational mind. We should not kill them. So pain and anxiety of the snake and the ruthlessness of man has been depicted in this poem. The snake is becoming anxious. He is feeling pain and anxiety. वो खुद दुखी है, सदमे में है. Okay? So, in this poem, the poet has given a clear picture. You can see in this PPT that snakes are not always poisonous. Though they are there are two types of snakes, poisonous and non-poisonous. Okay. So, in this poem, the poet has tried to think from the view of the snake that he is killed without making any harm to others. Actually, we people, human beings, are afraid of snakes. Okay? So I hope you have just you have just cleared your concept about the snakes, their categories, and our conception about them. In this poem, actually the snake itself is a victim. It is anxious. It is in pain. But most of the time we kill it just because of our fear of death. We are afraid of it. We think that the snakes are always poisonous, but it is not that. Okay? So, most of us think of snakes a fearsome symbol of death. Now I am going to read out the poem, The Snake Trying. The snake trying to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curvings of thin, long body, how beautiful and graceful are his shapes. He glides through the water away from the straw. Oh, let him go. Over the water, into the reeds to hide. Without her, small and green, he is harmless even to children. Along the sand, he lay until observed and chased away, and how he vanishes in the ripples among the green, slim reeds. Okay? So, in this way, you must have understood what is the theme of the poem. Okay? In this way, first of all, let me clear the concept or the notions that we have about snakes. As I just told you that these snakes, we feel that these are always poisonous, and whenever we see them, whenever we have a look at them, we kill them, isn't it? We kill these harmless creatures without their any fault. A number of times they don't make any harm to us, but because of our fear, we kill them, isn't it? We kill them just because we have a great fear in our mind. In this poem, as I told you, it is itself a victim of human beings. विक्टिम होने का मतलब यह है कि वो खुद ही डरा हुआ है, खुद पेन में है, खुद ग्रीफ स्ट्रिकन है, खुद एक्चुअली वो reptile है, harmless reptile most of the times. I have sent you the pictures which snakes are poisonous, which are non-poisonous, but we should be aware. Actually, we don't know that which one is poisonous, which one is non-poisonous, and therefore we have to be aware of these creatures. But we should not be in panic whenever we see them. Okay, whenever we see them, whenever it comes across us, and we generally have a notion, we, without thinking rationally, we start killing and hitting it. But it is not that. The animals, reptiles like snakes, they also play an important role in our ecosystem, isn't it? You must be knowing that snakes' job is to eat rodents which harm the crops. So every creature has its own role, own importance in environment. Fine? Therefore, it is up to us that we should have a rational thinking. We should not be panicked. We should not become hysteric. Hysteric means being or having a sort of madness, great fear. Being hysteric means having a great fear, and in this way, it is up to us. We should have a clear thinking that all the animals have their important role in the environment. Okay? So, when we become irresponsible, when we do not think rationally, we start hitting and killing a snake as and when we see it. And if it comes or it has entered into our house or boundaries or we see it, we generally have a notion. We generally have the idea that strikes to us is to kill it. But it should not be there. We should think rationally. We should have a clear notion. And it is up to us that how should we treat such creatures. Though they appear harmful to us, we think that all these are poisonous. Okay? Isn't it? So I am going to read out the poem for you. The snake tried to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curvings of thin, long body. How beautiful and graceful are his shapes. You must have observed sometimes that how does it move. He glides through the water away from the straw who let him go over the water into the reeds to hide. Without her, small and green, he is harmless even to children. Along the sand he lay until observed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green, slim. So, actually, most of us, means most of us all of us think that these snakes are always harmful creatures. These are poisonous creatures, but it is not the fact. We should not kill the snakes, but actually we are having a fear. We become hysteric as soon as we see a snake, isn't it? Actually, they are the friends of farmers. You must have heard that they eat rodents which are a harm to the farmers. These rodents make or give a great damage to the farmers and their crops, and these snakes eat them up. In this way, it is, we can say that the snakes appear to us the fearsome symbol of death. Sometimes you might have heard in stories that as in when someone saw a snake or it has bitten, it might be there that it was non-poisonous, but due to the fear, he had died. So it is not that the snakes are always poisonous. Snakes are non-poisonous too. And even poisonous snakes, their venom is used for making medicine. You must be knowing, isn't it? The venom of the snakes is used for making
Yes, ma'am.
medicine and various drugs, isn't it? So it is, the poet is telling us that we need to pause and act with rational mind. In spite of being irrational, we should think rationally. We should not become hysteric. We should act by thinking wisely. We should not kill, we should not hit the animal without having any reason. Fine. So instead of being irrational, hysterical, we should try to take him away through various other equipments, or we should phone to the, we can ring to the forest department, or these people would come to capture the snake. So most of the time, this is a harmless creature. Pain and anxiety of the snake and the ruthlessness of the human being is depicted. In this poem, the poet has described that the snake itself is a victim. हम snake के नजरिए से देख रहे हैं इस poem, not from our side. We are becoming irrational, panic, and become hysterical. हमें जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है. But in the same way, at the same time, the snake, what is the position of the snake? It is described in this poem. So we shall continue with the poem tomorrow.